Hi everybody, this is a demonstration about GraphQL, microservices, and RabbitMQ. It works as follows. A new user is trying to sign up in the system, and he enters his data, username, email, and phone for this example, and the tiny web server generates a GraphQL document. As you can see, there is a contract here because everybody, the web server application, the mobile application, or the voice recognition application, everybody communicates to Apollo server by that contract. That contract defines the way the GraphQL is written. Well, that GraphQL simple text message is sent to Apollo server. Apollo server is not ready in this demonstration, okay? And Apollo server routes that message to the service who is in charge of that operation. In this case, we are adding a new user to the system, so Apollo server is redirecting the GraphQL message to the user microservice. The user microservice makes the checks the user is not in the system, checks the email is valid, checks everything, and once everything is okay, it's following another contract. In this case, a contract which says he has to communicate to Rabbit via JSON. It sends a JSON plain message to the GraphQL to the Rabbit MQ server. Listening that queue, because every operation is in a queue, okay? There is another service listening. This is the email service. The email service listens to the same queue and reads that new message, and by following the same contract, okay, it reads the message, consumes the message, and sends a new email, a welcome email, to that new user. Let's see how it works. This is the GraphQL message, which is sent to the user microservice, and this is a fake SMTP server which sends the message, the email in this case, okay? As you can see, there are a mutation in the GraphQL message which is asking for adding a new user. The data comes from the login, the registration form, and if the operation is okay, it gets the new user UUID and the user and its username back, okay? So if we click on send, as we can see, we have not any email. If we send that GraphQL to the user microservice, the user microservice reads that data, checks that data, and returns a response. In this case, the response is okay, and there is a new user created with that user UUID and the username which the user asked for. If we go to the SMTP server, there is a new email sent to that account, jack@jones.com. It's all.